What are you looking at? What is objectivity? Is it rigidly founded around facts and logic? Or is it fluid, forever changing as society progresses? Who needs to answer these questions since our ways of thinking are so flawed? Trying to define objectivity is useless since we found a more efficient way of doing things. Who needs to read things anymore when you can just summarize them? You still write with no assistance? That's such a waste of time. There is no way you socialize by yourself. No wonder you're alone. Maybe you wouldn't be so alone if you had a girlfriend. AI is not more objective than human reasoning. Efficiency blinds us from growing authentically. Society might view AI as efficient. But shouldn't this benchmark change depending on your task? The metrics towards your success is objectively dependent on your values. Creating something by yourself is worth more than anything AI can give you. What are you still doing here?